One of the best things you can do as an individual to combat climate change is to make sure you're getting all of your electricity from renewable sources, so from solar and wind. Now, if you live in the Peninsula, in the Bay Area, that's super easy to do. So we're going to go to peninsulacleanenergy.com, peninsulacleanenergy.com. Now, peninsulacleanenergy.com was a citizens initiative. Basically, it's already integrated with PG&E. So you're already part of this Peninsula Clean Energy, and you're getting some of your energy from renewable sources. But what we're trying to get people to do, and what you can do as an individual to help, is to choose 100% clean energy and make sure you're getting all of your energy from wind and solar. So how we do that is we navigate to peninsulacleanenergy.com. We click on this green button here, and we scroll down, and all it needs is these three pieces of information. Okay, so your PG&E account number, your last name, your zip code. So we go to PG&E and we log in. Now for my own privacy, I'm not going to log in, but you log in, and then right up here at the top of the next page, you'll see your account number, and you can copy that. I've already copied mine. Now, you don't want this last number here, so you'll copy your full number, but then you go delete, delete, type in your last name and your zip code, and then you'll hit the next button, and once you hit next, it will tell you what to do, and it's really intuitive after that. I'm not going to hit next for my own privacy's sake, but that's basically how you choose 100% clean energy and make a contribution to fighting climate change.